You want to know? So here we go. I really love this weekly dry erase board. It's perfect tool for keeping my life organized and on track. And the double-sided design makes it super versatile. One side has a weekly planner to map out my schedule, the to-do list, and reminders, while the all white side is ideal for if you were brainstorming or drawing and even helping kids with like schoolwork. Plus, the magnetic surface lets me pin up photos and memos and reminders with ease. And so it's kind of a planner and bulletin board in one. So the premium quality really stands out. Has a durable anti-scratch aluminum frame and smooth surface, and it really writes easily and erases cleanly. Love that it's a portable, flexible design. I can hang it horizontally or vertically and even carry it around if it's needed. It's packed with markers, magnets, an eraser, and hooks, which makes it so convenient, but also a fantastic gift for anyone who loves staying organized. This board has become a must have as part of my daily routine. And now you know.